Hey you guys, look at my muscles. Look at my muscles, bro. I've been sitting here watching something, but I haven't been right. I'm just playing Roblox, everything. You don't mind me. Small creators are so they only have crack microphones, crack phones, hoping getting one sub. I only have 111 subs right now. My cousin have 310 subscribers. And if you subscribe to me, if I hit 500, I mean 3,000, I know, 1 billion subs, and I'll do my dad's face reveal. Okay? I promise, bro. I shall speak the best. And don't forget to sub and like right now. So see ya, but I'll show you something good about outside. I've been outside for a whole year, but I never been in a playground last time. Right now, look what I'm watching, but I never show you. I've been sitting here watching, playing Roblox and Granny.